Do you ever wonder kung ano yung trabaho ng isang shock absorbers when it comes to your car? So, shock absorbers plays an important role when it comes to your car stability. Ito yung nagkokontrol ng excessive movement ng springs ng ating suspension para maging mas comfortable and mas stable yung pagdaan natin sa mga lubak. Another important role of the shock absorbers is to keep the four wheels of the vehicle planted on the road at all times. So hi guys, it's Jester here of AC Delco Philippines, and in this video we would be talking about how to check kung yung shock absorbers nyo is kailangan ng palitan. Number 1, uneven tire wear. Madali itong makita dahil bago ka sumakay ng kotse, dapat chinecheck natin yung tires. Kung napansin nyo na medyo pudpud na yung isang side compared to the other side, this is an indication na yung shock absorbers nyo is bad dahil hindi na maganda yung contact nung gulong sa kalsada. And don't be confused kasi yung uneven tire wear also indicates na merong problema sa suspension system, specifically sa alignment ng gulong. So pag nakakita kayo ng uneven tire wear, bring your car to a mechanic para ma-check kung may problema sa suspension. Number 2, fluid leak. Pupunta ka lang dun sa ilalim ng tapalodo or yung wheel well ng sasakyan, point a flashlight dun sa shock absorbers, and kung napansin nyo na basa yung shock absorbers ng parang oil-like na fluid, have it checked by a mechanic. Number 3, excessive body roll. For example, nagda-drive kayo and dadaan kayo sa isang sharp curve. Kung mapapansin nyo, kung maglilin yung sasakyan on the opposite lane, it is a sign na yung shock absorbers are not functioning properly. Number 4, excessive bouncing of your car. Para makita nyo yung bounce test, have your car parked in a safe area, tapos tulak nyo lang yung hood or yung trunk. Pag pinush nyo siya downward, dapat pag angat niya, nakapag-recover na yung suspension. Kapag tinulak nyo and 2 or 3 times pa siyang nag-bounce, it is a sign na yung shock absorbers nyo is bad. So bad shocks doesn't just affect your ride comfort, it also affects your safety. So I hope this video helps you when it comes to checking your shock absorbers. To know more about AC Delco products, you may visit our website at www.acdelco.ph, or you may follow us on our official Facebook and Instagram page, AC Delco Philippines.